princess shall indeed grow in grace and beauty, beloved by all who meet her.
That's a lovely gift.
Before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she will fall into a sleep like death. The princess can't be woken by true love's kiss.
But I will not ask your forgiveness, because what I have done to you is unforgivable. I was so lost in hatred and revenge. Hello, Godmother.